Really?
Yeah.
Charlie, come here.
Charlie. Oh yeah, he always says that better for some reason.
Come here.
Joe, come here. Come here. He's curious. Oh yeah. Curious Charlie.
Come here, you. Come here.
It's funny because he'd start like they're stop feeding to eat like pretty much regular food now.
Really?
She'll feed him like once a day.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, pretty much weaned out.
He's so funny.
He's just chilling. It's funny. They were all sleeping. Couldn't believe it.
Oh. Going to run in the bathroom.
You peeing? You got pee again? Just went outside. He'll be gold. Like he'll be a real gold color.
Charlie.
He's running over here. Uh-oh.
Come here. Come here. Come on.
Sit.
Come here. Seems cool.
No kidding, man.
I just don't know. Puppies are fun, but I don't know if I could actually.
Like having kids right now.
Yeah, I don't know if I could go the full distance.
Seriously, it's been like 4:30 in the morning. Last like 2 weeks, waking up and whining.
Really?
Then,
They're just all crying?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think, bud? Huh? What do you think? What do you think?
Did you give him the Purina? That's what I bought him.
Go get it.
You've already bought him dog food?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what for puppy chow, yeah.
That's what I got with the Purina puppy chow.
I said when I start getting, where they're off the puppy food, then I go to that native.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a better food. Especially for my growing. Native number 2 for him. Yeah. You're tired, aren't you? I mean, I've worked all day. Not sure what. Well, come on. Come on. Look at you, little princess.